Alright, I'm probably gonna eat shit with this next shot, but it's gonna be worth it. Surprise! Today we're going to do a few cool things. So there is a skate park like a 30-minute walk away from my house, but I don't have a skateboard. So that's the problem. And I definitely want to learn how to kickflip. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna check out the skate park, because on the website it says that it's closed. I don't believe that, because it's Monday today, okay? So we're gonna check out the skate park. If it's open, I'm going to buy a skateboard. And then once I have the board, I'm gonna go back to the skate park, try and make some friends and try to do the kickflip, because I've never landed one in my entire life. And I really wanna land one someday, so today's the day. Hopefully, we'll see what happens. So yeah, let's do this, boys. Also, I'm currently uploading a video called European Tries American Snacks for the First Time. So go watch. It's a short, it's not a video, but still, go watch and subscribe. I found this parking spot. Let's skate. This is a board, by the way, just bought it. Alright, let's get out of here before I get kicked out. And let's go to the theme park. Let's go, baby. Theme park, skate park. Right, I literally almost ran somebody over. Yes, I'm stupid cyclist. Ah, it was my fault though. I don't know why. Literally, while I was saying that, there was a cyclist behind me, and he heard everything. And he looked at me all strangely, and it was very awkward. Of course, this has to happen to me. Nice. Okay, bro, just look at how beautiful this place is. I don't even know if this is the university or not. I don't fucking know, man. This is fucking cool. This is really nice. A good place to skate as well, which is cool. But yeah, it's so pretty. Wow, cool. Bro, I'm pretty sure I'm better than every one of these guys. Because I'm so good, bro. I've seen so many squirrels, it's insane. And skating on the campus is fucking, oh my god, big animals. Skating on campus is so cool, because there's no one here. Yeah, crossing the streets. Like a boss. Damn. Look at this, so pretty. Look at this. Oh. Skating is so intense. My abs are screaming. My legs are hurting. Everything hurts. This feels so good. Look at the city. Yes. It's kind of crazy how skate friendly the USA is. It's like you can skate everywhere if you want. Look. You can skate here, you can skate over there, like literally everywhere. It's insane. Cool. So the problem with my social anxiety has become so big that I'm literally right now afraid to go outside to go skateboarding. You know, social anxiety has always been a big part of my life, and I'm trying to deal with it by doing stuff that I've never thought that I would ever do, like traveling to another continent by myself, by going skateboarding, learning a new sport. I mean, I did skateboard like 10 years ago, but I forgot everything that I've ever learned. The weather is so nice today, and I was like, I kind of want to go skateboarding. And I went out into the neighborhood, like a very rich neighborhood down the street. I was skating there, I was chilling, and I fell. And my pants, where is it? There we go, my pants. Never mind, my pants is here cut. And as well on my ass, I think. And I'm pretty sure people saw me fell, and I just ran home. And I was like, fuck, man. I can't do this anymore. It's the social anxiety, you know? It's literally, it's killing me right now. And as much as I want to go out and skate with the new boards, my mind is like, people are gonna laugh at you, people are gonna look at you. And it's easy to say like, hey, just do it, just ignore them, because they're not gonna do it. Just go, don't think about it. It's very easy to say that, but in reality for me, it's very difficult. But hey, I've got this GoPro, and I haven't used it yet, and I want to get some footage with my GoPro while skateboarding. So I'm gonna try that tomorrow. Hopefully I'm gonna have more success, because tomorrow is also my last day here. So that means that in 2 days I'm going to Kings Island, which should be very, very fun. So we'll see what happens. So see you all tomorrow, lads. It didn't happen, guys. Maybe another time when I'm ready.